guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. But analysis, especially oil pulse content that status on crude have been messed up by the release of tens of million barrels from the US emergency stockpile of strategic petroleum reserve now as the SPR. The SPR again saw a large outflow of 7 million barrels last week that broke the stockpile 3 to its low since November. The Biden administration has been drawing down the SPR since November 20 and 21 to make up the shortfall in crude supply on the domestic market for fuels, but outflows from the reserve really occurred in May when the administration embarked on a battle to bring down the spiral down price of gasoline that had dumped US inflation. The president has committed to draw down 180 million barrels from the reserve over a 6-month period, or roughly 1 million barrels per day between May and October. At latest count, the SPR had released a total of 173 million barrels since March, a figure that includes volume associated with an early bond its tenders. Bloomberg reported on Tuesday, which brings us to the question of what happened after October. Thus long oil are betting at the house that post-October, when excess crude hanging over the market clears, the WTI price for a barrel would shoot back to above 100%, with Brent fetching above $10 more than whatever the US benchmark does. The week it upright intelligence that the Biden administration might hamper those bets when Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm told Brits in an interview that the SPR bonds might be extended beyond October, but while House officials speaking anonymously told CNN later that there were no plans as of now to continue with SPR withdrawals after October. Besides the end of SPR drawdowns, oil bulls might benefit from the increasingly bellicose positions of Russian President Vladimir Putin toward tightening sanctions against his country. Besides the end of CPR drawdowns, oil bulls might benefit from the increasing bellicose position on Russian President Vladimir Putin toward the worst for the ever tightening sanctions against his country. Furious with the letters, a 7 endorsed cap on the selling price of Russian oil, Putin is eager to hit back and hurt the US and its allies in the most painful way possible. His plan, which almost everyone, other than probably his gardener, now from day one, is to shut all oil and gas supplies to the world. Such action would presumably send oil prices spiraling back to high $100, but some analysts say the global economy, especially Europe's, is almost certain to go into an unmitigated recession in such a case, and that could bring energy prices back down. Also, some meteorologists are continuing the 20, 20 and 22, or 20 and 23. Winter could result in more surprise for oil bulls. Okay, I think that's for me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.